always tell people menopause is not a disease.
But let's go back for people who don't know. Tell me a little bit just about menopause. Like, who experiences it? What ages are some of these people? Yeah.
So I always tell people menopause is not a disease. It's just a normal transition. Everybody goes through it completely differently. So don't ask your girlfriend because yours might be completely different than theirs. Menopause, the average age is 51 in America. The definition of postmenopause is 12 consecutive months with no vaginal bleeding and then 2 elevated FSH, the follicle stimulating hormone. So when those little ovaries stop producing that estrogen and testosterone, that drop in estrogen is what creates all those vasomotor symptoms that we talked about. The weight gain, the hair, the skin, the joints, the mid-abdominal weight gain. However, the 4 to 10 years leading up to that are the perimenopausal phase, and that's anything goes. Anything goes during that period. You can have all the symptoms, you can have no symptoms. Symptoms can start in the 30s. So hormone replacement is a great idea for people that are good candidates. However, we do suggest you start it within 10 years of menopause, based on that WHO study that we just talked about. Also less than 60 years old. But if you're healthy, you have no DVT, blood clots risks, no breast cancer, there's a lot of benefit in starting hormones at an earlier age. So based on that study, they said that cardiovascular risk goes up, breast and endometrial cancers go up, and possibly dementia. Those have been disproven. So we now know that that's being lifted because it actually is very beneficial. We have cardiovascular decrease, risk in certain cancers, decreased risk in cognitive, Alzheimer's, dementia, in addition to all the symptomatic